baby. Did you kiss me? Did you give me kisses? Oh, you are so darling. You are so darling. Oh, aren't you nice?
Can't believe she gave me a kiss.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry. You want pets? Is that what you want? Oh, are you hungry? Oh, you still want pets. You're so skinny, baby. You're so skinny.
Honey.
She's like, what you doing? Those are my shoes. Oh, don't play with my shoes. Oh, baby. I'm so happy you're so affectionate. You're so darling. I wish I could have you.
Oh, yeah?
I can't believe how affectionate she is now.
I know. Well, she was really scared of us those first couple days, and now she's this. Hi. Yes, hello. Hello.
Oh, goodness. She licked my face, dude.
She's a sweetheart.
She is. She's so pretty.
That's why I can't name her. I'll like her too much. I can hear her purring. I'm down.
Oh, baby. Oh, Sebby's jealous.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby.